Elleberg Weddings and Events offers a wide range of wedding and event management services for clients across the central Illinois area. From venues and vendors to decor and rental items, Elleberg Weddings and Events specializes in all planning and management aspects of wedding ceremonies, receptions, rehearsal dinners, cocktail hours, annual banquets, and holiday parties, including large formal dinners. They offer a vast array of unique decoration items to fit any style of event, ranging from timeless formal and modern settings to relaxed vintage, shabby chic, and country casual tastes, as well as hard-to-find collectible and theme items you've been dreaming of. No matter if you need full-service event management months in advance, last-minute day of coordination basics, or something in between, Elleberg Weddings and Events is your one-stop shop, offering planning consultation, decorating services, and custom-tailored management packages that will eliminate the stressful headaches and hassle of your event and turn your dreams into reality. Their services are backed by more than 10 years of top-notch customer service and experience, transforming countless venues, hotels, homes, restaurants, and clubs into unforgettable atmospheres that will fit your budget and, most importantly, wow your guests. So you can relax and think about just one thing: having fun. Contact Elleberg Weddings and Events today for a free, no-obligation consultation at 217-433-9421 or visit their website at ellebergweddingsandevents.com.